my G's. You. Let's rock it, guys. Tell me one word of your music. Any favorite word from your one line.
Hey, dakin mo hipinga.
Huh. Hey, dakin mo minima. Right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, Meghalaya, guess whom I met? Wanbha Club, Johnny and Boney. The biggest guys. She pecking her pet guys outside here. Yeah, hi, what's up, bro? Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
And Bolbaring is out here. Bolbaring, oh, Bakariding. Oh, you know, that is the guy behind this hit, guys. I'm Monique.
Thank you
nice
so
to
much.
meet you again, brother. They're so talented, guys. Those guys,
Thank you.
they're really
Thank
doing
you.
well. And I'm so happy to meet them. Thank you. Let's have a peek. So here we go, guys. We're gonna explore the biggest festival of Meghalaya, Shillong. That is Cherry Blossom, guys. Yeah, let's go. Welcome to Cherry Blossom. Yeah, JJ, come say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, this is JJ.
Nice to meet you all.
Yeah, thank you. We have a lot of friends outside there, guys. We'll get to introduce them for you more.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, thank you. So this is the vibe so far. So can't wait to have the experience to explore and meeting the celebrities, the artists outside here, guys. Yeah, that's so good. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So there is a lot of stall, guys. There is a lot of stall outside here. Grab us. Get to know my remaining team members. This is Reynard.
Blossom.
Yo, what's
Gonna
up?
rock tonight. Yo, this is
Yeah, here, JJ again. Back to
Hello. Back to me.
you. Yeah, hello.
And the beautiful queen.
Our
of
queen,
Cherry
the
Blossom.
only queen out here with us, guys. I was starting. Hi, Jessie. Nice to meet you. Come close. Finally met my favorite Kasi singer.
Thank you.
I was searching. I was asking. Even I asked the security guard. They said no, they don't know.
Yeah, I just reached.
Just reach now. Okay, nice to meet you. I can feel like you still not yet recovered.
I'm so sick.
Okay, nice to meet you. Come close. Jessie Lindo. Okay. No, you cropped the leg, huh? You can't crop such celebrity shoes. Come back here. One more. Give me the camera. Finally made it with Jessie Lindo.
We are gonna hang out later, okay?
Sure. Tell me one word of your music. Any favorite word from your one line.
Hey, dakin mo hipinga.
Huh. Hey, dakin mo minima. Right?
Yeah.
Thank you. We'll go and vibe. See you later, guys. Thank you. All the best. All the best. Take care. Okay, Carmel.
Hi.
Nice to meet you again. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Yeah.
What time you'll be performing?
Together with Jesse.
Okay, with Jesse, huh?
Yes.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Hi. This one, Bad Boy.
Bad Boy.
Oh, nice to meet you, Bad Boy. I reacted to your latest song. One bad like that. No.
First time.
First time.
Thank you.
Meet Bad Boy, guys. It's actually a good boy, but you know that is the stage name is Bad Boy. Don't misunderstand that, okay?
Big love.
Yo, hi. Let me expose your talent. Don't, it's hidden. Okay. Let's start the vlog, guys. Yo, Meghalaya, Shillong people. I'm here with the celebrity.
No.
The people who are promoting Meghalaya, making good hit here. First, let me welcome Karaundor, guys. This guy, I know him. I also reacted to his song, but most of his song is like a local, but he has a lot of fun. People love his song. Most of his song is so emotional and kind of a sad, but based on a true story. I also like his song. Welcome, bro. Say hi to you. Say hi here.
Hello guys.
Yeah, this is Karam Dur and Iban Roy.
Akon Roy.
Yeah, hi. What's up, bro? Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
And Bolbaring is out here. Bolbaring, oh, Bakariding. Oh, you know, that is the guy behind this hit, guys. I'm Monique.
Thank you
Nice
so
to
much.
meet you again, brother.
This is my DJ.
Yeah, your DJ, guys. Okay, nice to meet you all, guys. Thank you so much. Love from Africa.
Silkworm.
Silkworm.
Yeah.
Silkworm of Boro tribe, guys. I don't know how they cook it, but it's gonna be my first time to have the taste, guys. Oh my gosh, let me close my eyes.
How's it? Jinx.
Little bit crunchy,
Yeah.
but it tastes like grasshopper.
Yeah.
Because I also tried grasshopper from my place. We also used to have the grasshopper and we used to fry it. Tastes nice, good.
The snail.
Only one.
You just have to suck it out.
I have to suck it.
Suck it out. Suck it out. Suck it out.
From here or from backward? Huh? So this is a snail, guys. It's gonna be my first time ever in my life to try it. They said you have to suck it out. I don't know what you will suck there. The snail?
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh my goodness.
There is nothing.
So we have to suck it like
Blow it first and suck it again.
got it, you got it?
Let me suck from behind maybe.
Yeah, suck it once from behind and like suck it again.
Got it.
No. That's yeah. No. Suck it from the mouth. From the mouth. Yeah.
Anyway, I got small, man.
Yeah.
It's small.
It's hard to suck.
Yeah.
It tastes like soup, soupy one. It tastes nice. They added some salt. So this one they won't eat it. They have to throw it, huh?
Yeah.
Nice experience. Thank you. Let me show you some good views outside here, guys. Yeah, this side is good where you can chill. It's good for couples, guys. If you have babe, you can come and have good time here. It's kind of a small lake. And beside here, you will find food stall also. Like, I just love everything so far about how they arrange the arrangement inside here, guys. Like, literally, you can find everything you're planning to have it here, guys. So this is Jantia stuff, Jantia food. Hi. You too. Yeah. Can I have a look of the Jantia thing? Jado. Ah, this is Jado. This is chicken. How do you call this one? This is like eggplant, huh? It's vegetable, vegetable, huh?
Chicken boil.
Pork. Dal, okay. The dal is so thick. Okay, thank you. That is? Trumbai. Okay, Trumbai. Okay, thank you guys. This is Jantia. Yeah, Jantia. This is the same one we tried. This is basically barbecue of everything. Yo, I'm here with my G's. Yo, let's rock it, guys. We're still waiting for the heat, for cherry blossom, biggest vibe to start, guys. So Meghalaya, guess whom I met? Wanbha Club, Johnny and Monmi. Woo, the biggest guys. Say hi. Finally met Johnny and Mommy, the guys who always Shipek Arpek. You know, this is Shipek and Arpek. I met Shipek and Arpek guys outside here.
Princess Diana.
Yo, Princess Diana also there. Yo, those guys really have lead song, guys.
And subscribe to Gabs and Gabby.
Yeah, thank you so much. I love their music.
Love, share, and subscribe.
Thank you so much, guys. Because of them, I got to know about Meghalaya song, and they produce nice hit, guys. Sometimes I don't understand, but I love their beats. Their song is always good. Nice to meet you, Shipek Arpek.
Yeah, bro.
Shipek Arpek. Thank you. Guess whom I met, guys? I usually watch your video being actor. Like honestly, guys, let me just speak about him. It's not my first time to know about him. I've been watching and reacting to a lot of his videos. He's a very good actor and he's so funny comedian, guys.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome. Say
you.
something.
In English.
Yeah, anything. Speak. Actually, most of the people they are watching only from Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
You can speak English.
Yeah,
Kasi, no problem.
Kasih mah.
Kasi.
Ai beli siap bar khoj. Bela kerjaan ya nga berkunjung ya i bini pak mah bawana bar jaga jela lah nama bar jagari.
Yes.
Ya ngilai kenduk bor seri ah ya video kijengi. Dari mentang ngilai ya kenduk markhmat kan ngedap gak mensim ba sukuman. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy also to meet you. You know,
Yeah.
when I was coming to Shillong, I was also planning to meet you. You know, but
Yeah.
I don't have your contact.
Yeah.
I was talking with Monique all the time because I also love one of your video with him, that Bolbaring.
Bolbaring.
You were acting on that and he did very well, guys. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bolbaring, oh kakaliding.
I've been waiting for you. But you wanna say it out too much for you. Yeah, and you. Come on, listen. I really don't care if I should leave. You tell me I'm wrong, but I got some questions on my own. Just no pizza, just no pizza, but no pizza, but no pizza. Make some noise for Alex. All you have to say, I said, oh, I said, come on, oh, I said, 2, 1, go.
See, the one thing about being a foreigner in America, we always find ourselves in a position where the culture shift is a little difficult. So everything that we do, we gotta do it better than the average because we're always being judged on where we come from. The one thing about America, coming from Africa, I never stop trying. And if you're in a position where everyone looks down at you, and you have much more to prove in life, put your hands up high in the sky. Let yourself know it's hard, you never stop in the try. Give me some more. All on the floor, give me some more, till you get so, all on the floor.
Ay,